This video shows you how to install your own SIM card in the TracNet system to use as a companion to the built-in KVH Global SIM. First, make sure you have everything you need: your SIM card, a Phillips screwdriver, a computer or mobile device connected to the ship's network, and access to the TracNet system's below deck unit, or BDU. Now let's begin. First, go to the TracNet system's web interface. With a computer or mobile device connected to the network, open your web browser and enter kvhonboard.com. At the login screen, enter your admin user credentials. Then go to the support page and find the TCM cell IMEI number. Provide this number to your cell carrier to activate your SIM for use in the TracNet system. Once the SIM is activated, return to the web interface and go to the WAN settings page. Then select the Cell tab. Now click the Edit button next to an available SIM slot. Name your SIM and enter its APN. The APN, or access point name, is available from your carrier. When you're done, click Save. Next, select the SIM slot from the Active SIM menu. Then select Activate SIM and Power Off. Now you're ready to install your SIM card in the TracNet system's BDU. Make sure the BDU is fully powered off. Then detach the SIM access cover from the bottom of the BDU. At the SIM card slot that you set up in the web interface, gently slide back the metal screen to unlock it. Then tilt it back at the hinge. Place your SIM card in the tray with its metal contacts facing down. While holding the SIM card in position, close the screen and slide it up until it clicks in place. Reattach the SIM card cover, then turn on the BDU. Now return to the web interface in its WAN settings cell page. Make sure your SIM card's ICC ID, IMSI, and home network now appear under the SIM slot you set up. Also check that the new cell connection is online, assuming you're located within its coverage area. Setup is complete. To switch the system's cell connection between your new SIM and the KVH Global SIM at any time, simply return to this web page, select the desired SIM from the Active SIM menu, then select Activate SIM and restart. That's all there is to it. If you no longer need the KVH Global SIM service, you can pause or cancel it through KVH Airtime services. For complete details about using a third-party SIM, please refer to the associated topic in the KVH Manager Help. If you have any questions about this process, please contact KVH Technical Support.